Wonder what family vacation in Iceland looks like in early April? Then you're in the right place. This is part 1 of our spring break in Iceland, featuring our flight over, our first day in Reykjavik, and our first road trip to the southern Golden Circle. Get ready to be inspired and start planning your trip. We booked round-trip tickets from New York to Reykjavik for $280 per person round trip, with no frills Play Airlines flying out of Stewart Airport in Newburgh. We've never used that airport before, but it's our new favorite because it is so small and quiet, with long-term parking right in front for just $12 a day. You pay extra for checked bags and carry-ons and assigned seats, so we packed super light to save money. We got a whopping 8 gates here at Stewart Airport. 4 airlines, only 1 is international, which is Play, what we're using today to go to Iceland. When you're flying no frills carrier, you don't want to pay for extra bags, so you wear your snow boots, your snow pants, your jacket on the plane, ready to board. No carry-on tickets for us. You've got a normal sized tray and a mini tray with a phone holder and a cup holder. That's nice. This goes down and up and in for a nice nap. We brought the pillowcases and they're all stuffing their snow pants into the pillowcase. But with these, you don't even need a pillow. They do have USB-C charging down here between each seat.
Is that lava? Oh my god.
Oh, it's a volcano. That is a volcano.
It's terrifying.
I do see it.
We made it. 4:30 a.m. No Wi-Fi. No Chick-fil-A sauce. Did you see the lava? That was so cool. We're on the airport shuttle.
Dear passengers, if you look to the right side, you can see the volcano, or at least the flames.
Eight a.m. Hunting for a warm bakery. In Reykjavik. Let's go, Sandholt. Smells good. Oh my gosh. Yum. First meal in Iceland. Yum. At Sandholt Bakery. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's gonna burst.
Ooh, let's see. Go. That's my little foodie, yes.
Oh, that's good.
It is so cold, but it's gorgeous. Kenza has scooter envy. Love all the colors and types of surfaces, all the houses. Just so cute. Reykjavik. Let's go. Our bracelets. Woo. into the ice cave. It's 5 degrees Fahrenheit in here. Oh, wow, that's cold. Yup. Wow. Wow.
I can touch this.
So cool. It's huge. Whoa. Don't get lost. Daddy.
Secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel?
I just took it.
Ooh, secret tunnel. Oh my gosh. It's really short. Hi, they captured me. Ah! All right, go. We found an ice throne. Jeez, my ice queen. So fun, the interactive stuff. You stand on the feet and you can control it with your hand. Learn about the different glaciers.
This is Reykjavik.
We loved the Prolon Museum. The man-made ice cave was so cool and they had such great exhibits. And then at the top is an observation deck where you have the best view in the whole city. It's just so great. We found a school. All right, room tour. We got an apartment, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. They're all 2 twins in here. Hey. Everything's got like a shrunk closet to hang stuff up. Here is a 8-person dining table. Little mini kitchen with stove, gas top, sink, a little lounge TV area. Ooh, here's a big fridge and a microwave. Then we've got the 2nd bedroom. This one has 2 shrunks. And again, this is the smaller bathroom, toilet. They've got funny flushers. The kids every time are like, how do you do it? A little shower. Then we have Wi-Fi over here. It's hard to get Wi-Fi, so they're going to random corners. Oh, look at the cute little coffee machine. Then here is a bigger bathroom with a nice tub shower. Again with a toilet. Are you guys decent? Okay. And the 3rd bedroom, again, with these. And check out, we have a private balcony with a killer view. And honestly, this is one of the main reasons I got this, because I wanted to be able to come out in the middle of the night if we were having Northern Lights and Aurora. So we've got like half the sky viewable from our apartment. So this is awesome. This is the downtown Reykjavik apartments. Somebody fell asleep watching the tablet just after dinner at 5:30. This guy's asleep also 5:30. Mia's doing good. Roji's asleep at 5:30 and I'm heading to bed at 6. After a glorious 12-hour sleep, we walked down to Blue Car Rental where we borrowed a 7-passenger Kia Sorento for 3 days. One reason we chose Blue Car Rental is because they have not just an airport location but also one downtown that's very convenient. This first day I had us driving the entire day with a bunch of stops doing the southern side of the famous Golden Circle. We got the men up front, our Blue Car Rental, Grandmommy Kenzo in the middle, and hi ladies. Where are we going?
Iceland.
Waterfalls. Lava flow, perhaps? It's traffic, guys. I just don't know where all these cars are coming from.
Yeah.
It's so empty. Horseback riding. It is so empty. Oh my gosh. I'm scared I'm gonna drop my phone. We got beanbag chairs, and they gave us flashlights at the lava center.
We're a lava. Let's go.
Let's Let's go, Lava Center. A lot of facts about different volcanoes and eruptions. Ooh, really cool interactive stuff. Put your wings out. Iceland is growing because the plates are separating, and for Emmy's wingspan, it's gonna widen that much in 54 years. Whoa! Create an earthquake in here? Oh! Whoa. Oh my god! Oh, you can see my bag jiggle. So cool! This is the mantle plume. Wow! Ooh, what is it showing us though? What? Fissure eruption. That's what's going on now that we saw from the airplane and the bus. It really looks real. It's so cool. Here, you're in front of 4 different volcanoes. Whoa, eruption, guys, eruption! Oh, look at all the ash. Oh, it's scary. Like a blackout. Oh my gosh. We dead. We dead. Roji just got this collagen caffeine drink. Ham and cheese sandwich, bacon, hot dogs, and Icelandic yogurt, cheese, and bread for lunch. First Icelandic hot dog, and is it delicious?
Yes.
Wrapped in bacon. On a little playground. Jumping off ledge. We're driving, and Roji thinks he sees the next waterfall. Yeah, that's totally it. Selfalgen floss. I don't know. Selgelands floss. Let's go. Pictures, pictures. It is so cold for the hands, though. Oh my goodness. Completely frozen wherever the mist hits. Oh, he's sliding. Oh my god. Like we're in Hawaii. Oh my gosh, where's Grandpa going? Gosh. Whoa. That's my child. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. Where's my precious? It's a rainbow! It's beautiful! There's the glacier! Danger! Sneaker waves! We're at the black sand beach goofing around as always. How is it? Black crust pizza.
Amazing.
Is it? Does it taste different?
It's better than American pizza.
And this one has duck on it, y'all. Some sort of a sandstorm. Oh, hear that? I did a convenience store to go pee and got popsicles. Push pop with gummy bears in the handle. So fun. Oh, she got sprinkles.